I am doing a review on a crimping tool, this little baby here. At the time of making this video, this cost around about $25, and at the time of making this video, it's just come out. And as far as I understand, you can only buy it on Amazon.com. You can't buy it at Amazon.co.uk. Not as far as I know. It costs around about $25, so it's not too expensive. And it's an upgraded version of their previous one. So it should be even better than the previous one. So what we're going to do in this video is have a look around and see exactly what you get for your money. You get this as well, by the way. Crimping set. And give her a little test, because we want to see if it actually works. So with that, let's get on with it. This does not come with this, but I will stick a link in the video description to their Amazon store, CPTEC, so that if you want to buy this, you can buy this and this at the same time, or just buy them separate. It's entirely up to you. This costs around about $24, and this costs around about $25. But they do a cheaper pack. This is 210 pieces, and they do a pack of 90, which is about $12. Something to bear in mind in case you want to get one of these. So like I said, there will be links in the video description below. So let's do the crimping tool first. Move that out of the way. So it tells you the name of it, tells you what it can do basically, and it's a KF30J model. Like I said earlier, it's a new one out. It's supposed to be even better than the older one, and I don't know how good the older one was because I never used it. I haven't used a crimping tool for quite a long time, but it looks quite nice. It's quite heavy. I will weigh it in a bit just to see how heavy it is. Is that going to come out easily? Let's get her out, shall we? Yes. It does have a bit of weight. Like I said, I will weigh it because I'm sure you want to know how much it weighs. But we'll have a quick look around it first. So I do believe it has a little lock on it. Yes, is that? There you go. Ah, it works quite well, doesn't it? See that? Oh, and it's colour coded on both sides. So if you just want to lock it, just go like that, and it's locked. If you want to unlock it, feels quite nice actually. I quite like the grip. Feels a bit rubbery, but doesn't feel like soft rubber. It does feel quite nice. Looks like it's well lubed as well. So first impressions, yeah, I think it looks nice. I know it's just a crimping tool, but it does look nice. Right, I'm going to weigh it, okay? I'll get my scales out and I'm going to weigh it when I stop playing about a bit. Give me a second. Right, the reason I'm weighing it is because I know someone's going to ask me, how much does it weigh? So I'm doing it right now. So it's 1 pound, 3 ounces, okay? Or, change units, 560 grams. In case anyone wants to know that, might as well do this while we're here. That weighs 12 ounces, or 353 grams. So, got that out of the way. Right, let's have a look at this crimping kit, this little baby here. So it's 210 pieces, heat shrink butt connectors, and I'm going to have to get a bit of wire from somewhere and give it a little test in a minute. It's got a little warning sign now. Crimp the connectors with heat shrink butt connectors crimper. Operating temperature is 40C to 105C. And that's about it. Right, let's get it open. There you go. So we have yellow, which is the biggest. Yeah. Blue. And, well, it looks like pink. Oh, it's even got measurements on there, I think. 22 to 16. There you go. So these should be all the same size, yes? Looking at that, I would say yes. And we have these little babies here. Right, actually it shows you on here, look. So we have AWGs to 26 to 22. Yeah, see that? And your different colours, different sizes, millimetres, colours. Well, that's white then. And quantities. Oh, that's interesting. Very good. So there's 20 of them, there's 80 of them, and there's 80 of them, and 30 of them. It even shows you how to do it. Heat shrink butt connectors. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can actually do it over a naked flame if you wanted to, or you can use a heat gun or something like that. I don't actually have a heat gun as such, but I'll either use a flame, or I'm wondering if my wife's hairdryer would do the same. I think it might actually. So with that, let's get a bit of wire and see if she works. Right, I've got this old cable here that I've already cut up because I don't use it anymore, and I thought, well, we can have a little practice with this. And I found this to be approximately the right size, so this is what I'm going to be using. I've moved all the bits out of the way, and I'm going to be using this. I was originally going to use my wife's hairdryer, but I had a little practice and I thought, that's taking too long. So I decided to use one of these. So hopefully it works. Yeah, it's got flame on it, so that should be perfect. So crimping tool. I'm going to do this side first. I'll do one side at a time. Stick that in there, like so, and then I'm going to crimp it. Hopefully, if all works well. Make sure you push it in, hold it in the right place, and that should hold it. Yeah, it's there. And now I'm going to stick this side in. Do the same. Make sure it's pushed in, which it is. Yep, that's holding. And now I'm going to shrink it. Hopefully, if all works well. I'm going to do this side first, then I'm going to do that side. So turn it around. That ain't going to work now, is it? Oh, there you go. And hopefully, you should see it start to shrink. Yeah, it's going. It's weird. It goes clear. You noticed that? Is that there? Oh, that is there. It's going to be hot though, so best not touch it yet. I know this is not the proper way to do it, but I don't have a heat gun or anything like that, so this will have to do. Oh, I think that's there as well. Looks good. See that? Well, I'm going to let that cool down, and then we're going to give it a little test. Don't think I need to do that anymore. I'll do that bit there though. Right, I'm going to give that a few minutes to cool down, and then we're going to see how strong it is. Right, what do you think then? It's holding, isn't it? Perfect. Shrinked up really nicely, and it's holding the cable. Obviously, if I put enough pressure on it, it's going to pop somewhere along the line, but it's working. So this works extremely well, quite easy to use. Even if you decided for whatever reason you're starting to crimp something and think, oh no, I need to do something, just push that little lever and it releases it. So you don't have to go all the way in to release it. Yeah, very easy to use. I do like the grippiness of the handles. Yeah, feel like a rubbery grip, which is really nice. And also this little kit here, 210 pieces you get in there, and they do the job. Yeah, very pleased with it. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you've got one already or you're thinking about buying one. Let me know. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.